Hey everyone, this is Dan from the Digital Marketing Toolkit, and today we're going to go over one of the most important Google Business Profile optimization tips for you to implement that'll instantly make a big improvement to your GBP listing. If you already set up your Google Business Profile and didn't pay much attention to the description box, don't worry, you're not alone. But keep in mind that optimizing this part of your profile is one of the best ways to help Google understand your business and recommend you to the right people. Most businesses fill in this section with generic information, or they skip it entirely, which is a huge mistake. Anyway, today we're going to fix all of that, so let's jump right in. Before we start, I highly recommend downloading a free Google Business Profile description worksheet that we made available from our new GBP ebook bundle. You can access this free worksheet by visiting bnfps.com/GBP worksheet, or you can click the link in the description below. Don't worry, I'll walk you through everything, including how to plug your answers from the worksheet into our free GPT tool to help you quickly generate a better SEO optimized description for your business, one that'll actually help you rank and convert more customers. For this example, I'm going to update a Google Business Profile for one of our businesses that I haven't yet optimized, Velocirep Hosting. Okay, so once you download the worksheet, which again you can find at bnfps.com/GBP worksheet, open it up. A side note, if you have a PDF editor and you want to use that to fill out this form, go right ahead. But I'm going to show people who don't know or want to use a PDF editor another way to do this. I recommend opening up the worksheet and placing it on one side of your screen and placing the text editor right next to it, so they're both side to side. Type in all of the answers to the questions from the worksheet into your editor as we go along. So let's start with step 1, business basics. Start by filling in your business name and make sure that it matches, and this is very important, exactly with the business name you entered for your Google Business Profile. You can find this by locating your GBP profile in Google and clicking on Edit Profile. In my case, it's Velocirep Hosting. Now enter the year your business was established and the primary products and/or services that you offer. Make sure to use the exact wording for the category section that you chose for your Google Business Profile. So for my business, I'll enter web hosting company and business-to-business service. For geographic areas that you serve, enter the locations that your business provides products and services to. If you're a local business, it's extremely important to only list the areas that you actually serve. Since we're a web hosting company, I'm going to simply enter United States since we have customers from all over the country. Now to finish off this section, think of a one-sentence answer to the question of what makes your business unique. In our case, I'm going to enter, we're a web hosting provider established in 2013, offering reliable VPS hosting solutions tailored for small businesses. Keep in mind that this first section sets the foundation for everything else, so don't overthink it, just be very honest and highly specific. Now moving on to step 2, key business details. This section lets you provide short form answers that Google absolutely loves because it helps them understand your business better and provides them relevant information. Here's how I answered all of the questions to give you an idea of what and how to say it. So for question number 1, for example, what specific problem do you solve for customers? I answered, we help small businesses build and maintain a fast, secure, and professional online presence with reliable web hosting solutions. Our VPS plans solve common issues like downtime, slow site speed, and weak support. With features like NVMe storage, plenty of data bandwidth, and free site migrations, we offer premium hosting without the hassle. Then for question number 2, what expertise or credentials do you have? I answered, since 2013, we focused on small business hosting. Our team knows how to manage servers, secure websites, and keep things running fast. We work with tools like cPanel, Cloud Linux, Lightspeed, and Immunify 360, which are all included in our plans. For question number 3, what is your business philosophy or approach? I put, we believe small businesses should have access to high-performance hosting that is straightforward, secure, and affordable. We include features others charge hundreds for, keeping our pricing transparent, and back it with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Our approach is built around trust, value, and making things as easy as possible for our customers. And for question number 4, what brands, materials, or techniques do you use that customers value? I wrote, our infrastructure is built on high-speed NVMe storage, light-speed web server technology, and the Cloud Linux OS for site stability and performance. We include cPanel, Immunify 360 security, and SSL certificates at no extra cost. These tools are proven, reliable, and widely trusted. Customers also appreciate our free migrations and automated backups, which provide peace of mind right from the start. Moving on to step 3, customer perspective. You want to shift what you think is important to what your customers actually care about. So here's how I answered, what are the top 3 questions customers ask before buying? I added, number 1, how reliable is your uptime and server performance? Number 2, what kind of support do you offer if something goes wrong? And number 3, can I easily upgrade my hosting plan as my business grows? And for the question, what keywords might customers use to find your business? I recommend answering this from the perspective of a customer and not a marketer. Here are the ones that I chose. You can choose between 5 to 10. Small business web hosting, VPS hosting for small business, managed VPS hosting, reliable web hosting, and affordable website hosting. All right, so once you've got all of the raw material ready, now it's time to move on to step 4, draft your description. To save you a lot of time and trouble, I'll walk you through a prompt I pre-wrote that you can enter into our GPT, which you can access for free at bfpsgpt.com. This prompt is already included in our free worksheet, but I'll make sure to also list it below in the description. Now simply copy and paste this prompt into a new chat session and either attach your file with all of your answers, or you can also copy and paste it in. Now just hit enter and wait until everything gets processed. Now, before we wrap up, make sure you don't skip step 5, review and optimize. Double check and proofread that your description mentions your main services, including the correct location and service areas, that it weaves in your keywords naturally, and that it stays under the 750 character limit. Also, that it ends with a simple call to actions and doesn't include your phone number or website URL, which Google will strip out. Once you're happy with your business description, copy it and click the Edit Profile link on your GBP profile. Now click the pen icon to edit the description and then simply paste everything in and click Save. Now that you've got the method and all the tools, there's no reason to leave your GBP description section blank or boring. This is one of the easiest Google Business Profile optimization hacks to drastically improve your listing, and it only takes a few minutes of your time. In the comments below, I want to hear from you. What kind of business are you optimizing your Google Business Profile for? And tell me what your biggest struggle is when it comes to writing about your business. I'm curious to see what you guys say. If you want to move beyond this and fully optimize your entire Google Business Profile, we created a simple step-by-step guide to walk you through the whole process. You can access that at bnfps.com/gbp. The ebook and the ebook bundle are both on sale right now, so make sure to grab it before the price goes up. Thank you all for watching the Digital Marketing Toolkit. Please remember to like and subscribe so more small business owners like you get to see this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.